Dr. Reverend G.S. Gangte. He's the treasurer, Kuki-Zo Council. And Mr. Lin Mate, he's the vice chairman of Kuki-Zo Council. Well, today, I'd like to thank the press today. Yes, I agreed that the Kuki-Zo has made a great mistake in killing the 6 Naga civilians, which is made out of emotion. That I really criticize it.
Kanamite tukala social media dunga puhanen thang like gazette si chairman hitia press conference anaina a aseina kamcheng hin Manipur sunga moina ti ta lovin iho Kuki-Zo sunga jong thutam pi seido tan adia tulai social media khang hi je in Facebook WhatsApp dunga iho zat mi te jong achu sei pomloi apom loloi adim set kit jengin ukeng ne ho melong sungko ho ti ta lovin iho Kuki-Zo cha te mama student body Zomi Student Federation ZSF te di chun pu henen thang lai nen press briefing anei na a ka chanaga kiti thucheng ahin man na thu ahin press release PR kisan ahin so do win tupe na igal miteo ka chanaga te sei chu ahin seita win hi hisi thu hin amasan ZSF Zomi Student Federation ten EP ahin seiwam ga ve masa hi TV nisim som ni lagu June 2026 ni khua ZSF General Headquarter 10 PR ahin suna wahin identity nomenclature le terminologies thua organization dang ho ZSF te dinmun ki het sa nom chu ZSF General Headquarter KZC Kuki-Zo Council min kiti organization hi hezong aki hepapon endorsong aki bolpon athu so ho le aki mansa na ho ojong het pha in aki nei poi Kuki ho le Zomi community sosunga kila khoma kiwop khom na ti a KZC kisim do hi aki bol helian pen su hitai achung chuna Kuki-Zo ka chanaga kiti kamcheng paucheng ki man ho jong hi aki sang thei pui ZSF General Headquarter in Mio Sin head dinga chu 2024 annual General Assembly a Zomi tribe zo si ko khomna Zomi Council ZC in identity adinga Kuki-Zo kimang hi anaki reject kideilo kisanglo hitai ZSF in Zomi Council noya frontal organization khat hi na zalin council in identity le nomenclature apomjing Zomi hi akidin pijingin organization danghon eisa naw le aimin wonawa kimatna akinei pui achaina kein ZSF General Headquarter in district danga Zomi ho damlipina om theine diu angai sa dan akigel ho in chukit le Zomi te hi chamna deite aki in tua kina kiboina conflict nga jong pansatna ima akinei poi ati uwin hi ama ho thusei bangai hin Joint Tribe Council Manipur JTCM kiti honjong KZC statement ho chu demna hin nei we press briefing anei naw chomkhat ga ngayutin ga we kin hitiwe
low or to stoop down to say that Kuki is into our level. No, Nagas are not into their level. They are land grabber. They are under our mercy. With our big-hearted, they have lived into our land. Justification is not done. And killing of the 6 persons on 30th of May 2026, plus another person, that Chiru person was shot dead, point blank. 7 persons, not only 6, brutally murdered, abducted and mutilated on 13th of May. But yet people don't underestimate that our passion is not too low to stoop down or to level down to their level. We are too high to say that they are human. And killing of 6 persons, they said on 15th of May, Kuki-Zo, Kuki-Inpi, whatsoever, from all the angles, wherever they settle, even from the jungle, they saw that we have our own headquarters. They said, people boom, vanish. Where? When one mom give a big heart to a bird with one child, how can that beautiful child or beautiful son can be vanished in a boom in the air? On 15th of May, Kuki-In-Pi, they said it was a missing case, but no. Then on 25th, Kuki-Zo said that we have killed, and they have taken all the wrong sense, wrong proxy war words or the kind of statement. They said, okay, we have killed Naga, Naga. We don't believe or we are not there to level with all those terms and terminology. We are not here to surrender with all those, the international law, the whole world, the humanitarian people, or if not, if you are human, you are there to judge. And people are here to know the truth. And the proxy war is in height. Since time immemorial, when Kuki, the insurgent or the illegal immigrants, wherever they have penetrated, and in Manipur in particular, since day one, they are the land grabber, and they never contribute good for the cause of the humanity, but they are a war-waging people. So, seeing them as human and accommodating them as a human, but their heart, once I have stated before, once again I repeat it again, their heart is a monster, and they turn out to be cannibals at last. So how long we can accommodate them? So I, on behalf of the Joint Tribe Council Manipur, co-convener, and Wrongmen Council Manipur in particular, would like to say this, a kind of truth to the people, that we are not a proxy warmonger, but we live the fact, and let us live and look ahead so that we are integrated with a good heart and we live together. And yet now, another 2 days or 100 years is too low, but 1,000 years to be prepared for our future generations. Thank you.
Ahin social media dunga eho kukiten iboi pi pen ikinil na pen chu hi chithu hitalowin pu kejet si chairman pa in ngaidam akithum na ho thua iboi kidwin YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook dunga ama thosei ji hin oimona mi tampin in nei kidwin namsunga alonghang atamloin social media dunga asei pe na chu ipi atile pu chairman hin ka chana ga ho koma ngaidam athum ham ama hormon 1992 93 kuma mi chujat eitha na wahi a chule tukala eitha hobjong ama ho thadana ke sei khalo achungchuna pastor mi thum ho ke thana ho ke san eho le eho ki tha dana wanoi het dinga e sante to media langa ki thua eho zo in thudi lo seidana wanoi het dinga portray e bol hi kitnin ahi le ipeti le pu chairman kz si hanen thang thang le hen press release maya hitia hi asejing tam hitia sei hi ichen geya a consequence de ham central le state government in mipi ho thapna a athu NIA ho api do wanga hi tu gea hi athu hi imacha holdo theilowa India sunga investigation agency a alen pen loya ineyu NIA enjong athu ima lo la ya tua aman hitia asejing le ama hin athat ho a het ami asa ti na hin chichu hi le ama ta le kz chi lamkai chengchu hi chithoseng aseji se ajang chu athu het na dinga ke man thei din mona ama ho le ama ho ke pilu nu chule mat thei ta hetalo ham chukit le hitabang thu ke sei hi wanoi pi het dinga iti min egel dungu hitam eho hi namphalo pe na om na zo se a namdang to gala ki dojing te a mel mahon e sei naw hi di do ding a hitai tin nampi sunga hi chithu puna di ho chun lung han naw lung nat naw thu chu mu thein social media dunga athang thajing in hi hichi kachana ga thu hin all Naga student association Manipur and samin thusu hin bolwin ke ho Naga mi te ho history identity le ka dignity u chawna a hichi Kuki-Zo Lamkai hon aseu hin ngaidam na thu aseu jong san theiding lom hi poi akisan pi poi tin asewin analung hang the zengwin hi ama ho thusu hi abon cha seidi hi ngai thada walen zongen sen a hin simjong simda jing hitiwin ahin athu sei nawa point khat ga seileu hin inzoa ZSF on PR ahin bolo chu an samhon Zomi mi ten Kuki-Zo Council hon Naga mi gup ki thana thua athusu hi na phatsa uhinam tia ado ji wa hi ZSF ho chun I ho langpan pi lo na a chu hi chana chu PR ahin su chu hi kinin so pi Zomi te ho jong hi esan gala kuki thi a izat ham khat thi ta wa tu ge ya hi I ho do ho galmia pangpang jeng na la hi win ipi bolo hen lang ipi gong jong le gala kuki thi a thi ho chu lungneu lo hi la kuki chu hi jing hi win hi chi thua hi kinil bau tam na ding jong lo chu hi ne hi ka chana ga hi angai da le wang wa hi India dan pinuya Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Act 1963 Act 63 of 1963 a government in head pi na aneya enek ana bol chu hitan chikile British on 1881 a census ala wa ka chana ga tia ana sudlu nu hitan ahile kuki narco terrorists kuki refugees kiti ho hi ZSF on adi tia apom danuham koi ho ji a emi ho narco terrorist to refugees 81 ti hi ZSF on holdo masaleo phading khat chu a hi galhi tupe na chan khompi community zatni Kinei lai ahin Zomi a ki gel hon kuki ho hi galmi a nei gel wang wa hi kuki ho hin lunglen ta a mi pang bel lo hi la nan chan khompi khat a ki gel na lai ne hi ji wa ipi seun lang ipi bol jong leu chun don but khama jong ki gel lo na hi ji wa tu ge ya na thusu jong kuki organization CSO son dona Kinei lo na hi ve ti hi ana ki het win lang na uteu ukeng ni ho milong songko ho ka chana ga ti jong chu KZC chairman pa ka chana ga katiu ngai dam nei thum sa go nu le nang ho ka chana ga ten ku kite refugee le narco terrorist nei tiu hi ngai dam ki thum sa nun lang su theng na khat nei ma sawin tin ana seipi tawin ti chu iki het sa no mu hi han lang KZC ten nising somni legate June 2026 ni in PR thosu ahin bol ki duin ka chana ga kiti thucheng hi official ta India government dan pinuya recognized tribal designation in Manipura 1956 ST le ST amendment act no ya dan ahin het sa un hi ipi le nami pi chengin ha sagin thei I thono soto jong le kitu ta ipan khom jing le poi machan ima ilo theyu a hi poi ti hi a chaina ke ya iki het sa no mu chu hi sa utin dunia dingin hi chan hin hi sa utin hi chan hin chaita hi ti ve